Importance of taxations in your business. Starting the business is very easy, but for managing the business with the commitment, with the visions, missions, what you have tried, what you have said, for a long run is too difficult. How you are managing the business effectively and creating this tremendous opportunity for the business, you have to think, you have to go beyond the label. Business is everything. If you're starting the business, your business is like your child. How you are managing your business, how you are caring to your business, how you are increasing your business, how you are giving the time and the monies to your business. That is more important. Your business is your child. Like how you are caring to your child, or your child is growing in the same way you have to manage your business, and your business can also be grow. This is up to you only, my dear friend, ladies and gentlemen. Whether you are working as an entrepreneur, the business holder, retailer, ventures capital, investors, or any other mode, doesn't matter. But you have to understand this, that until or unless you are not delivering the way you want it to be, the way you are caring to your babies, your business is not going to grow. Your business can be a sophisticated business for you when you are driving to create the tremendous opportunities for your business. Your business can be everything for you. Now you have to focus first on your business, that how you are going to create this opportunity for your business. And then taxation part is comes. Taxation is important. Taxation is going to support to run your business effectively. You are going to create your record in the government name, in government portal, that yes, you are a taxpayer. You are a partner of nation growth. You are a partner of the GDP growth. Please understand the relationship of taxations with the businesses. You cannot ignore this. There is a huge relationship, the taxations and the business. If your business is growing, your taxation is also growing. If your business is not growing, your compliance is the same. You have to manage this compliance. Now the question here is that if you are taking easily and ignoring the taxations part, you might be happy today when you have a lower income, the lower business value. But think about when your baby is growing more and become a strong. What would be happen in that case? In your babies, there are so many diseases, and how you are going to meet the doctors, and how many doctors you will go meet. That is more important here, my dear friend, ladies and gentlemen. If you are not caring to your business with the compliance, with the taxations, with all those, the necessary requirement part, it means you are going to kill the business when your business is going to strong. You are going to kill your business. Now it is up to you only, that how you are caring. When you are starting your business, you have to check also that what is the requirement of the compliance, and how the compliance is going to support the business. You have to check today when you are starting your business. When your business is growing, your compliance should also grow. Your taxation should also grow. You cannot be ignore the importance of taxations in your business. This is as simple as that. Now you have to focus on your business, then how you are going to increase the sales volume, the business value, how you are going to increase, what are those factors, deliverables you have to bring in your business to increase the business value. At the same time, you have to also ensure that how the taxation parts and the compliance is going to simplify in your business, whether you are managing those all compliance effectively, efficiently, are you complied with the taxation part effectively or not, you have to check. Because when your baby is young, you need the help of your all those taxations and compliance. This is as simple as that. You have to focus on your business. You just increase the business value. You have to also focus on taxations and the compliance. How this is going to increase? Are you managing those compliance in an effective way? You have to check, and that is going to provide you the more benefit. So wherever you are, my dear friend, ladies and gentlemen, if you have started your business not serious about that tax compliance, you have to start today to focus on that, And whatever disease has been created, you just go and simply take a consultancy and remove those all disease of your business. Your objective should be that you are going to run your business for a longer while. You are going to create the opportunities, the employment for many more. And in that case, you are going to fulfill the expectations and the objective what you have set for you. When you are in a business, my dear friend, ladies and gentlemen, many of the persons are more expectations from you. You will become a god for many one because you are paying salary, you are paying some amount, and that amount is going to help so many people to feed their child, to run their home beautifully and efficiently. So if you are running your business, doesn't matter whether it is a small, medium, large. If your business is in a small way, try to focus and give some energies in your business. Bring some tremendous opportunities in your business. Don't lose your business, because if you are going to lose the business, it means you are going to kill yourself. Kill yourself. You have to focus more on business, that yes, I have to bring those necessary improvement in my business, and that is going to help to feed many of. In that case, your objective is going to fulfill. Your business is not only yours. And your business, so many persons are dependent. And if you are focusing more, complying with the taxations and other compliance, it means you are an honorable person. You are a honorable person. Think about it and give the more values to your business, and also see the compliance part, where it is. If this become a big disease, try to find out the solutions and close it. You will be happy more. You will be grow more. And the people under you are more happy because they'll feel that I am in a right place. They will work dedicatedly and provide those opportunity what you want. This is very important, my dear friend, ladies and gentlemen. This is Sanjay Singh signing out. Until we meet again. Thank you. Thank you very much.